everyone, Jennifer here. I am coming to you in the early morning hours. I got up before everybody else got up this morning, and I am quickly shooting this video before the household starts waking up. And also, you will be so surprised because you have never seen this before, I don't think. You have never seen me in my exercise clothes. And in today's video, I am in my exercise clothes. I know already you're going to ask, what is this? What am I wearing? Where is it from? So I purchased my exercise clothes like a long time ago, and I don't feel the need to update them. They're perfectly good. You know me. And yeah, so this is from Zella. The pants are from Zella as well. So I just wanted to say that because I know people are going to be asking. So in this video, I am going to update you on my fitness routine. So a while back, somebody had posted a comment on an old fitness routine video that I did, and I just had to laugh because I don't do any of that stuff anymore. My fitness routine has really changed over the years as my life has changed, and I think that's totally normal. I think most people go through phases in their life where you know, they enjoy going to a gym or they enjoy taking a certain class, and then in my phase of life, I barely get to get out of the house. So, you know, because I work at home, I'm a stay-at-home mom, we homeschool our kids, so I am not able to go to a gym every day. And to be very honest with you, I am not a gym person. So I have had gym memberships in the past. I used to belong to Equinox when I lived in Santa Monica. And I just don't like going to the gym. I don't like getting in my car. I don't like parking in a parking structure. I just don't like the gym. So, but I know that there are people who love the gym. So there's nothing wrong with the gym, but I'm just telling you that me personally, I don't like it, and I never ended up using my membership, so I always cancel my gym memberships. So the first thing that I do for exercise will come as no surprise to you, and this actually hasn't changed, but I go on a long walk every day. When I used to live in the city, I would go on walks to run errands, and I did that almost every day. And now that I'm in the suburbs, I'm not able to do that. We don't live near any stores or grocery stores or anything like that, so I actually just go on a long walk, you know, for pleasure. I always bring the baby with me, and sometimes it's just me and him. Sometimes all the kids come with me and they'll bring their bikes. Sometimes my husband will come with me, but we try to go on a long walk every day. Of course, it doesn't always happen, but I would say about at least 5 days a week, I go on a long walk. So that's the first thing I do. But the second thing I do will actually surprise many of you. Many of you might not have even heard of this before, or many of you might know about it, but just have never considered it. But the second thing I do is I jump on a rebounder every single day. And I just cannot tell you how much I love this exercise. A rebounder is a little mini trampoline. It's like a personal trampoline that's low to the ground. And I got mine from NEDAC. And this is not sponsored by NEDAC, but I just have to share how much I love this rebounder. Okay, so why would you have a little mini trampoline, and what could you possibly do on it, and why would it be beneficial for you? Well, I started doing research on the rebounder because what I was looking for was something I could do in the home that I could stick to, that would be fun, that I could do whenever I wanted, that I didn't even need to change into exercise clothes for, something that was convenient to my lifestyle. And we actually do have some gym equipment in our house. We have one of those Stairmasters in our garage, and we also have like weights. But you know, I never really stuck with the Stairmaster. But I just tell you, I love this rebounder so much. I can move it wherever I want in the home. I can go in the backyard. Sometimes I do it in the living room while I'm just watching something. That's like the only time I watch TV is if I'm jumping on the rebounder for 5 minutes. I just can't tell you how much I love it. And the kids love it too, and my husband loves it. So anyway, I was doing research and I heard that NASA recommended rebounding as, because it's a very efficient form of exercise. So they recommend it for their astronauts. And I was intrigued by that. I thought, why does NASA think this is so amazing? Just wanted to read another quote from Albert E. Carter, who wrote The Miracles of Rebound Exercise. He wrote, "Rebound exercise is the most efficient, effective form of exercise yet devised by man." Barbie Trejo from Natural News writes, "When you use a rebounder, it promotes circulation through the body's lymphatic system. As you begin to exercise, the toxins are moved to the lymph ducts, which transports the toxins to the kidney and liver. Rebounding serves as an insurance policy against many serious diseases. Rebounding is not only great exercise, but it's fun too." I just have to agree with her there because I find rebounding to be so fun, and when I'm on it, I do not feel like I'm exercising. I just feel like I'm having fun. And like I said, when I get off, then I suddenly feel different. I feel the benefits. By the way, in my corresponding blog post, which I'll list below, you can just read all of these benefits. I had to get a rebounder because I thought, you know, there's so many health benefits here. And I feel like if I have 5 minutes, I could just jump on the rebounder. And what I'm finding is that I actually really like it. It's fun. I just look forward to it. So when you're bouncing on the rebounder, you actually don't feel like anything's happening. You just feel like you're having fun, or maybe you're a kid again, jumping on a trampoline. We call it the trampo. But then when you get off, you feel different. You feel just detoxified. I just feel so good when I get off the rebounder. Sometimes I'll just set the timer for 2 minutes and I'll just jump for 2 minutes. And I do a variety of different jumps, which I can kind of show in this video. I can cut in and out. But I do a variety of jumps. I'll jump for 2 minutes. Sometimes I'll jump for 5 minutes. Sometimes I'll jump for just as long as I want to jump. I've jumped for up to 10, 15 minutes, and I just feel incredible afterwards. So that's what I do. I just rebound and I walk. I'm sure there's other things I should be doing, like lifting weights, but you can actually lift weights also while you're on the rebounder. That's something that people could do, although I don't do it. But those are the only 2 things that I do right now. Just as a history, I am a mother of 3 kids. I'm in my late 30s, and my baby is about 19 months old right now as I'm shooting this video. So, you know, I've had a history of gaining weight through the pregnancies and losing weight. And I'm just finding that this is just an efficient way to not only just keep my weight down, but I love it. I love the health benefits associated with the rebounder. So I chose NEDAC because it just simply has the best reviews online. People seem to universally like the NEDAC rebounder. The quality here is really good, and when you're jumping, you want a quality thing. You want a quality rebounder to jump on. You don't want it to break, obviously, and you don't want it to sag and get destroyed. So the reviews for NEDAC are universally good. And I like that they're made in America. I think it's a family business. So I've linked everything below NEDAC rebounders, including the particular one that I have. And there's a few different choices that people can get. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you use a rebounder or if you would like to use a rebounder. If I have enough people who do it, I will do a video that shows what I do on the rebounder, my fitness routine. So let me know in the comment section below if that's something that interests you. Thanks so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you soon. Bye.